that is at this place near Nizampet. This looks interesting really. If you were to take a look, 80 rupees is the entrance fee, so perhaps that's why we have very few people. The footfall, or maybe it's just 6:30 in the evening. Either way, I can't wait to take a look around. It's always nice to buy these keychains, I feel, because you can always gift them to someone. And then what do we have here? We have, everything is priced at 200. Oh wow, these are agarbattis. You can get a fragrance. I wish we could record fragrance also. So this is nice. I'll take a look inside perhaps, and then I'll come back. That would be interesting. So yeah, so I'll do another video soon.